The CARGOBOX is a true game-changer. It's a lightweight, secure, intelligent, cost-effective, collapsible air freight container. It electronically monitors, logs and transmits key shipment data door-to-door from shipper to consignee to all authorized participants in the logistics supply chain. Such key shipment data includes precise geographical location, status of the electronic lock, and a number of other parameters such as temperature and humidity. It can send alert messages if it is tampered with or in case of severe shock or accidents. Let's follow an imaginary journey, starting at Canon's digital camera division. Upon receipt of a customer order from a client in Wiesbaden, Germany, Canon orders 3 cargo boxes on the CargoSys platform. At the same time, a trucking company is notified to pick up 3 cargo boxes at the Interbox Asia Limited depot and deliver them to Canon. During loading, the cardboard box's barcodes are scanned and stored into the lock bar electronics of the cargo boxes. Using this data, the system automatically generates an electronic packing list and airway bill. On command, the electronic lock of each box is activated. The interaction between the lock bar electronics and the CargoSys platform provides continuous monitoring and logging of key shipment data. All parties involved, including customs, have access to the key shipment data via the CargoSys cloud-based platform. As soon as the cargo boxes are closed and locked, all e-docs are uploaded into the CargoSys software. This enables the preparation of customs declaration forms in advance of arrival of the goods at the airport of destination. The results: better shipment control, faster handling and efficiency improvements during the cargo processing, both at the departure airport and upon arrival at the destination airport. Rather than using time-consuming and complex scanning equipment for the various individual cardboard boxes, screening of air freight at cargo box level provides a quantum leap improvement over today's level of security, while minimizing cost and the time necessary to accomplish these tasks. After receiving a green light, the cargo box moves forward to the pallet assembling position to be combined with 5 other units. It can send alert messages if it is tampered with or in case of severe shock or accidents. If a cargo box receives an orange or red light, further inspection is required to examine the reason why. The restraint net is then installed and the entire PMC is stored in a secure part of the warehouse. Once the aircraft is ready to be loaded, all pallets leave the warehouse and are transported to the aircraft's position on the tarmac. After being loaded onto the aircraft, the cargo box sensors and electronics in the lock bar automatically stops the transmission of data, but the collection of data continues. This enables the cargo box to fully comply with FAA regulations regarding the use of transmitting electronics on board an aircraft. After arrival at Luxembourg Airport, the cargo box automatically reconnects to the cloud and data transmission resumes, including the data collected during flight. Luxair, the cargo handling agent, then begins the disassembly of the PMCs and, at the same time, download the data stored in the lock bar, determining import duties and preparing the cargo box for further transport to the consignee in Wiesbaden. All the parties involved, including Luxembourg Customs and forwarding firm Wallenborn, have already received the required information prior to arrival, enabling them to prepare for its delivery, again saving valuable time. Upon delivery at the consignee's warehouse in Wiesbaden, an employee with the appropriate authorization can request the PIN code for each cargo box. Each cargo box PIN code is unique, created by the system instantaneously, and is valid for only 3 minutes. The 6-digit number appears on his smartphone or other device, and NFC technology provides simple encrypted interfacing with the appropriate cargo box. The CARGOSYS data system logs both an arrival and receipt by consignee message, which also includes a precise time and position stamp. Cargo boxes are collapsible and can be stacked at a 7:1 ratio for empty return shipment to the nearest dispatch and recovery station. Currently, the pharmaceutical industry uses extremely costly containers, which measure content temperature to deliver their many high-value shipments each day. At Interbox, we are currently testing a COOLBOX, which is a conventional cargo box employing easy-to-install internal isolation blankets. Combined with disposable gel packs, the COOLBOX internal temperature can be maintained between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius for a period of 72 hours in an ambient temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. As part of the data stored in the logbar, the consignee can print the actual internal temperature history during the entire journey, providing a 100% verification of the real temperature curve. Completion of final tests will allow the COOLBOX to be offered for real-world testing to a number of prominent pharmaceutical companies. When the COOLBOX becomes commercially available, it will be at an extremely attractive price, in concert with a surprisingly complete service package. When compared with single standard AKN temperature-controlled containers, 2 COOLBOXes together have 45% lower tare weight, comparable net content volume, 25% less outer volume, real-time temperature monitoring and messaging service included, approximately 75% cost reduction, printed temperature curve upon arrival at consignee. While all passengers and their luggage are screened prior to entering any aircraft, only 5 to 10% of all cargo is scanned before boarding. The 8 million daily passengers taking their flight expect at least the same level of security for the cargo in the belly of the aircraft, just a few feet under their seats. Interbox, the company that will bring the CARGOBOX onto the market, has received an EU grant for a large-scale trial of 250 boxes along with a number of established shipper-consignee trade lanes. This grant enables Interbox, together with its partners, to demonstrate the outstanding improvement of security when air cargo is packed into cargo boxes, versus the use of conventional cardboard boxes. Tampering of air cargo by either the Trojan horse or hijacking method can be detected before loading it onto an aircraft, thus preventing possible disasters. The CARGOBOX, with its built-in intelligence, can and will change air cargo logistics and become a global standard as well.